Okay, today we're going to be making some juice. We have apple, turmeric, ginger, lemon, beet, and celery. And we're going to put it in our Breville super juicer. Got this on Amazon. It was about $300. It's supposed to be the best on the market. This is your catcher, and you got to slide it right in there like that. And you want to make sure that this is on there nice and tight. It's got two little ridges right there. Down here you got your high, harder, and low, softer. And then you have an off switch here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop this baby up like that. We're going to stick our celery in there and we're going to give it a shot and see how it works. All right, you ready? Here goes nothing. See how it sounds. Ooh. Let's put all that in. Not bad. Keep going. Excellent. Uh-oh, gotta cut those. Now you'll notice I'm putting the skins in as well because there's lots of nutrients in the skin. So I leave it on and the seeds. So let's go ahead and do it. And the lemon. Look at that. Ginger. Turmeric. And then we hit here. All right, let's see if it goes off. I think I might have put too much ginger in there. I can smell it everywhere. All right. Okay, so now we've got our juice, and I think this drips a little bit, so you might want to put a little, just in case it drips. I'm going to put this under here because this is the beet really gets it. So we're going to pour in here. Bam. And let's take a taste. Ooh, that's delicious. That's amazing. Oh my God, that's delicious. That is good. All right, I think we're going to have a good time with this. See, I'm getting a couple drips here. So you definitely want to kind of get that there. I'm just going to set that there for now in case it drips anymore because I don't want to get it on the counter. All right, that's pretty much it. That's how you make your juice. And this right here will keep you alive. I'm going to live to 170. Oh, God, is that good? Woo! All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use your juicer. This is the best one you can buy. That's it right there.